Hey guys, me again on my Action 5 Pro. You know, I was thinking, I'm always thinking with these vlogs, but I was thinking, I totally use an action camera the wrong way. I mean, think about it. This is an action camera, and about the only action it's getting from me is walking and talking. That's it. And you know what? Here's the thing. I think everybody should use the action camera the wrong way. Action cameras like the DJI Action 5 Pro. I mean, I've said it a million times. This is almost perfect for vlogging. It's almost a perfect vlogging camera. Maybe the only thing you don't get is the bokeh effect in the background. But you get stability, pretty good color. Nighttime it's pretty good, especially when I put my little Ulanzi LED light on it. With the DJI Mic Mini you get good sound, and even with the camera itself the sound's pretty good. And it's convenient. It's small, like the size of your palm. You press the button and it records. Stability, clearness, good mic, durable, waterproof. I mean, forget phones. Why even use your phone? You know, I have my phone, it's in my pocket, and I could use it, and I could record, and you know, it's got great quality. Problem is, I'm gonna record, and it's gonna ring. And what's gonna happen is, the ringing's gonna annoy me. I'm gonna forget what I was vlogging about. I'm gonna forget what I was talking about. Or with the Action 5, or with any action camera, or a 360 camera. It's so easy. And, I mean, maybe the Pocket 3 might be the perfect vlogging camera, though I don't have that. I don't have the Pocket 3. But this, I mean, you could drop it. I wouldn't drop it. I wouldn't want to drop it, but you just don't worry as much, you know? If it rains out, you never worry. I mean, you just hit the button and you go. It's so light, so small. Sometimes people don't even realize what you're doing. They think like you're doing, I don't know, like a survey or something, or that you're maybe taking a picture of nature or something. But you're vlogging. I mean, I'm vlogging. Simple. Easy. Action 5. So easy. And I figure I'd come out, make another vlog about the Action 5, I know. Another Action 5 vlog. I know. But this camera is just that good. Look, for the everyday, regular, average person who wants to try to create, who wants to try to make a video, or even wants to film their kids or their family, or even do like a selfie, or just, I don't know, man, it's that good. And I'm thinking that the solution to Many of creators' problems are right here in a small, affordable action camera, durable, good battery life. You pair it up with a mic like the DJI Mic Mini. You put it on a selfie stick and you just go. You could go for a very long time. The battery's good on this too. I mean, I'm using action cameras the wrong way and I'm loving it. I think this is the way to do it. Not your phone, not some mirrorless camera, not the Sony, not the Canon. You get stability here. You get good light performance, dark performance, whatever you want, night performance. And the best part is people really don't look at you as strangely, because it's kind of smaller than a big mirrorless Sony or Canon. Forget it. I don't care what anyone says. You get this camera, you will use this camera. You just will use it. And that's all it comes down to. So I figure I'd come up here, come on and do another simple vlog about the Action 5. And you know what? People will look at me now. They still don't know what it is. All right, guys. Wanted to come on real quick. Another little motivational vlog to get you out there to get something, even if it's not the Action 5. It could be your phone. Just get out there, create. It's easy. Do it. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.